Good day, y'all. This will be a little warm up. We'll start in the child's pose. The back of your mat. Just some grounding breaths. Scanning your body. Just breathe. And set a little intention. And take one more breath together. Let it go. And shift your hips forward to a neutral table. When you're ready, no rush. We'll flow through some cat-cow. Inhale, cow, arch your back, gaze up. Exhale, cat, round your spine. Inhale, cow, extension. Exhale, cat, flexion. One more. Inhale, gaze up, tuck your toes. Exhale, hips high, down dog. Walk out your dog. Shift your weight side to side. Give your head a little shake. Settle in. And shift forward to plank. And take one push-up. Option to drop to your knees. Breathe back to plank. Hips high, down dog. Breath in. Breath out. Inhale. Exhale. Last two breaths. One more like that. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, walk your way up. Feet to touch. Inhale, halfway length. Exhale, forward fold, squeeze. Inhale, rise to stand, arms sweep up. Exhale, hands to heart center, slow. Breath in. Breath out. Inhale, arms reach, full body extend. Exhale, little cactus, open up, take a bend. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, right hand to right hip, left arm, reach over, breathe, one breath. Reach a little further. Inhale, back to center, reach. Exhale, left hand, left hip, right arm, reach. Here for a breath. Reach a little further. Inhale, back to center, get long. Exhale, forward fold, straight down, soft knees. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen. Exhale, step back to plank, lower halfway down, chaturanga, elbows stay in. Inhale, up dog, slowly. Exhale, down dog. Breath in. Breath out. Inhale. Exhale. Last breath. Let it go. Walk your hands to the back of your mat to meet your feet. Feet hips width. Drop down into chair pose. Drop your hips. Arms high. Breathe. Option to add a little pulse here if you'd like. Squeeze your thighs, your core. Breathe. Ujjayi. Through your nose. Make it audible. Last breath here. Stay for the exhale. Ground. Inhale to stand. Reach. Exhale, hands to heart center. Take Take a breath. Let it go. Inhale, reach up, gaze up. Exhale, right hand, right hip, left arm, reach. Inhale, back to center, get long. Exhale, take the other side, reach. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, cactus out, little deeper. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, swan dive this time, all the way. Inhale, halfway, grab your elbows. Exhale, ragdoll. Let it go. Do your thing here. You could add a little sway. Decompress. You could add a little bob, up, down, soft knees, little give. Oh, let the full weight of your head hang. Soften the neck, the jaw. Here for a couple more. Padahastasana is an option. Gorilla pose. One more breath. Release your mind. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, crawl forward to plank. Taking side plank. Right arm down, left arm high. Breathe. Keep the hips high, gaze up. And drop to your base knee. Any adjustments here? Get some length with that back leg. And reach your top arm forward, bicep to ear. Reaching, active through your fingers from the edge of your back foot through your side body. Reaching here, something just out of grasp. Reach, breathe. Reach a little further and roll your top shoulder down, coming back to plank. Hold here, breathe. Left hand down, right arm high, side plank. Take a breath, lift your hips, your gaze, and drop that base knee. Top arm forward, bicep to ear. Breathe and reach. Back foot through your side body, ribs, arms, forearms, fingers. Reach. Breath in. Breath out. Reach. And roll your top shoulder down, meeting in neutral table. Inhale, cow, open up. Exhale, cat, round it out. Inhale, cow, open up. Exhale, back to child's pose. Come back to your breath. One more here. Slowly push yourself up to a hero's pose. Take a breath. Let it go. Take one more breath. We're warmed up now. And bring your hands to third eye. Clear thoughts. Hands over mouth, loving communication. Hands over heart, pure intention. Thanks for joining. See you guys next time.